Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to download audios from Instagram on your device. So to do so you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So Instagram does not offer a direct download audio button, but there is a few legit workarounds depending on what you are trying to download, like audio from reels or stories. So here's how you can do it. So there are the various options to download reels or extract audio from reels. So the option 1 is use a website to extract audio from reels, means open the Instagram app, or you can open your Instagram from website and find the reel video with the audio you want. Mean you need to go to the reel section, which is at the very bottom of this page, and go to the option like this, reels, and here you can see the reels option, and you just need to tap on the three dot icons, click on this three dot icon, and from there you can just copy the link and go to the websites like Insta.app and many apps, and after going to the app you can just paste the link into the site and choose the download audio MP3. But while doing this, always be cautious using third-party website, means stick to the reputable ones and avoid giving login info. If any kinds of website asks you to log in info, then do not go with those kinds of information. So that's how you can go with the website, or you can just scroll the reels over here. You can find millions of reels and you can just make the video from those reels also. Like to do so, you can just go to the option like music sign icon and click on this option, and you can just tap on the option like use audio, and from here you just randomly select any kinds of photos or video, and now you can just tap on the option next, and that's how you can just add your videos. You can also edit your videos, like you can add the sounds, you can make the transition, you can just add stickers, audios, you can also overlay it, you can manage the volume of the real song or real videos, and you can also voice over like get ready with me kinds of videos. That's how you can just make the videos from it. And also there is a second option, like you can use a screen recorder plus audio extractor, means for iPhone use the built-in screen recording features to record the audio, or use an app like Audio Converter or iMovie to extract the audio from the video. And for Android you can use a screen recorder app like X Recorder or AZ Screen Recorder, then use MP3 converter to extract the audios. And there is one more option, which is option 3 on PC, best for high quality. Doing the videos on PC means you can create the high quality videos. So like to make the videos in PC, you can copy the Instagram reel link, use a site like stik.io or downloadgram.com, download the video, use a free tool like Audacity, means open source audio editor, online audio converter, and these tools can extract the audios as MP3 from the video. So that's how you can just download the audio or make the videos from the reels audio. So after doing all this, you still want me to help you extract the specific audio, you can drop the comments on our comment section, so that will help accordingly in our next upcoming video. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.